Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one, go to the right. Next, I will put t on the right, r minus 2r squared on the left. Next, I will put the negative, go to the left. And I need to change the sign of this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will consider about this one first. About this one, I will put about another negative 2r in here. Later that we need to put back about positive 2r. This one we have negative 4r. And now we will create about two fractions in here. Now I will concentrate about this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. We have 1 minus 4r dr. So this one we change by u. 1 minus 4r dr we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Now, let's go to the second one. We have r squared and r. We can do about factorization. R and R we simplify. Now the integration of this one, we will have about negative ln of the absolute value of 1 minus 2r, because we have negative next to coefficient of r. That's why we have negative in here. And we have number 2. This is the reason why we don't have number 2 in here. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, they will return back to this one like this. And we put about c. Now, this one, that's it, combine this one and this one. So we return back in here. The integration of this one, that's it, about this one and this one. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of t squared minus 1. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equal to number 2, r equal to number 4. So we put the value in here to find about the constant. About this one, we have 28. About this one, we have number 7. About this one, we have number 3. So we put everything, go to the right, and we got the final answer. Now we have this one in here. So we put the value to change for C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.